Hello everybody, good evening, welcome back to the channel. Tonight we are going to be looking at NVA, this is Nova Minerals. You can see the stock was down just under 8% on Friday. Let's have a speak about that, let's have a look at everything that we have been seeing. If you do enjoy the videos, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. At the same time, remember, I'm not a financial advisor, this is not financial advice. Now a few things to note. Now on Friday we of course saw this major drop off, but two things. Number one, we're still holding above lows that we saw right around 50 to 55. Number two, we appear to be consolidating as of Friday very nicely around this $56, $57 range. Actually $56, right? Right around $56, nice consolidation coming in. Now again, we do still have that potential of dropping. Stronger supports historically, recently, have been around the 53.20, 53.30, maybe in the 52.50 range as well. So we could see a rejection and a push down to those levels if we aren't able to break out. Speaking of which levels to break out from, I'm looking at 58.80. I am looking at numbers such as 59.50. I'm also looking at numbers such as $60, $61 for a potential breakout. But given everything that we've seen, guys, the RSI is cooling off nicely. And again, we could be coming to a point here where we are historically close to consolidation, and we could be seeing further consolidation. So keep your eyes out on this point going forwards into the next couple of days of next week. That's just my personal thoughts and my opinions. Let me know yours in the comments. Thank you for your time and goodbye for now.